welcome to Road Rush Nation. In this episode, we're going to share what it's like to take your motorcycle on a cruise ship. Yeah, you could do one of these amazing tours pre-COVID. There used to be a company out of Nashville called ETA Motorcycle Cruises. They had fantastic trips where you could take your motorcycle on a cruise ship, and then at each port you would go on a guided ride around the islands. Yes, you heard that right. You could take your own bike, not a rental. They arranged for your fuel, insurance, and license to ride on the various islands, and it was no problem. You were able to see the beauty of each destination from your own bike, not the typical tourist sites. We decided to go on a cruise that took us to Puerto Rico, St. Maarten and St. Kitt. It was amazing. This was a once-in-a-lifetime experience that we're thrilled to share with you. We made some amazing memories and gained lifelong friends from this adventure. In this episode, we'll share what it's like to ride the island of Puerto Rico, from the ship's dock out to the countryside and even the old cobblestone streets of Old San Juan. So let's get this adventure started, but first, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Now let's go ride. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.